unlocking answers to your most sought-after questions. What's in the Knowledge Vault today?
Yes, the ratio of A4 to A5 paper sizes is indeed the same. Both A4 and A5 paper sizes are part of the ISO 216 standard, where each size has its dimensions exactly half of the size immediately larger in the series. Specifically, A4 measures 210 by 297 millimeters, while A5 is 148 by 210 millimeters. This means when an A4 sheet is divided into two equal parts, cut or folded along its longest side, it yields two A5 sheets, maintaining a 1/2 aspect ratio.
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.